Good morning. So today you're going to go to 4-9. I'll move it to the top for you so it's easy to find. Alright, you're going to go to 4-9, open it up. You're going to do the daily attendance just like normal within the first 5 minutes of class. Oops, I did not mean to do that. You're going to complete this activity on Lenin and the USSR. Make sure that you watch this Edpuzzle video, and there's some information for you to review. There's some fill-in-the-blank notes. And then you're going to use those notes to help you be successful on the reading check. And again, there is an Edpuzzle that helps explain some of this stuff. Then you're going to take the reading check. Please make sure that you're using your notes and activities to complete the reading checks. And then make sure that your Quizlet is complete. It is due tomorrow. Happy learning!